I guess this is a part 2 because I accidentally did something and TikTok wouldn't let me finish adding to the video. So here's part 2. We finally got Ricky. He was being so stubborn, but I got him up to the front and now we're letting the girls out. Every morning, Ethel has to go to Lucy's stall and see if there's any food Lucy left behind. Come on, guys, you want to come out? And every morning, Louise is yelling at everybody. Come on, Ethel. Here they come. What do y'all want? What do y'all want? What is it? What you need? What you need, Lucy Goosey? What you need? Yeah, I'm about to get them a scoop. That's what they're wanting. And get some yummy water.
Mom, is this how you get them?
Of it. The mamas are hogging all the grain. Go get one more scoop of that and I'll put it in the creep feeder. Y'all are getting too close to the fence. Back up. That fence will get ya. They are seriously so cute. I love them so much. All right, I'm gonna dump this scoop in the baby's creep feeder. That is the feeder that the mamas can't get to. Come on, Louise. Oh my God, she's yelling at me. And then I'm gonna let the ducks and the geese out. Now we're letting the ducks and geese out, maybe. Oh, the gate was stuck. That's all the ducks. There are 2 geese still coming. Over here, babies. Look, our baby geese are getting their curly feathers. How cute. I know, they got their curly feathers in. This one goose, man, you gotta go through the gate. The geese and ducks are always pure chaos. Okay, I'll go help. Gotta go that way, friend. Put them in the basket on the table. Yeah, put them in the basket on the table. There we go. We got all the geese. Look at those curly feathers. I love it.